this video is about connection words. So from today you have no excuse. I know the words, I know the verbs, but I don't know the connection words. So today you gonna do it. Let's go. So the first connection word is with, that is مع. مع. Then you have of, ديال. Okay, of my father, ديال بابا. Okay, أنت حتى. حتى. on فوق. فوق. in ف. Okay, flagar, for example. Friend of, you have two ways to say in front of. قبالة. قبالة or قدام. قبالة قدام. So we know مع, ديال, حتى, فوق,